Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? Welcome to our BGS class. Today it is revision class and I will revise all the chapters very fast. So I will give you some suggestion and some question, very important questions. So please try to collect these questions and try to collect the answer of these questions. The first question is, from which society cultivation started? So, from which society cultivation started? So, you know, while it is Stone Age, people do not cultivate land. They were nomads. They visited forest. They roamed here and there, and they killed, they hunted animals. They collect foods. They collect fruits from trees. So they were fruit collector. They were fruit collector. But it is agrarian society, horticulture society. So it is horticulture society. From which society man started cultivation? So it is horticulture society. The answer is horticulture society. Horticulture society. So my next question is, from which society man started cultivation? Please be careful, from which society cultivation started and from which society man started cultivation. These are two different questions. So at the beginning of the cultivation, women cultivated land. Okay, they took the responsibility of cultivation, but from agrarian society, men started cultivation. So the answer is agrarian. Agrarian society. So it is from agrarian society from when men started cultivation. So men took the responsibility of cultivation just after the invention of jaw. So they use plow. They use plow for cultivating land. So men took the responsibility of cultivation just after the invention of inventing plow. After inventing plow. So men started cultivation just after the invention of plow. So before man, women cultivated land. Okay, what is the best invention? What is the best invention of primitive people? It is nothing but fire. The answer is fire. Because fire used as arms, fire used to cook foods, fire is that important things. In fear of fire, harmful animals didn't attack human. So during that time, people live in society, people live in cave, they all through the night burns wood for fire, as the harmful animals, ferocious animals, they do not came to attack them. So fire give them food, fire give them safety, fire give them warmth. So it is the best invention of primitive people who become the chief of the group in primitive society. So in primitive society, the person who was strenuous, who has strength more, he lead the society, he lead the group. Okay, he became the chief of that group. Which tools and arms were used for cultivation in ancient society? So it was stone-made tools. It was the bone of animals that they killed or that were died. Okay, so they used the jaw. They used the bones of the animals to cultivate land. Okay. So from which society men started tent dog? man started tame domestic animals. Okay, so it is pastoral society. Write the answer: pastoral society. Pastoral society. It is pastoral society from when man started tame domestic animal. Okay, from which society man started to tame domestic animal? It is pastoral society. Which animal was tamed by human first? So man started tame dog. Man started tame dog first. So it is dog. It is the animal which was tamed by man. So who discovered the route to India? So it was Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama. He invented the route to come to India. So it is Vasco da Gama who started, who invented the route to find out the route easily to come India. Okay, there are more questions. Who invented gravity? So it is Newton who invented gravity. Okay, who invented gravity? Okay. Then write. So rail communication from which century? Rail communication started. From which century rail communication started? Okay, from 19th century. It was 19th century from when rail communication started. Okay, who invented gravity? It was Newton who invented gravity. Okay, so another question you have, what is Renaissance? What is Renaissance? So, who invented gravity? Gravity is invented by Newton. And from which century rail communication started? It is 19th century from when rail communication started. What is Renaissance? Renaissance is the new birth. Renaissance is revivation of knowledge. Okay, man attraction for knowledge and science increased. The European discovered the knowledge and science of ancient Greek and Roman tradition. This is known as Renaissance. So European people, they feel attraction to knowledge and they revive, they practice Greek and Roman knowledge, and that is called Renaissance. Okay, so students, this is all about your chapter 7's question.